Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and today we got this thing. It's a microscope. As you can see, there's a telescope in there, but there is a microscope.
So that is what we are using today. So it's pretty much spring. You all know what that means. Big snowballs like that over there turn into water streams and they melt and stuff. So today we are like this water right here. We're gonna sample that and see what's in it. And like I've done, like I know everyone's done science in school, so you know, like first and whatever like thing water systems are. So we're just gonna see the quality of the water, see whatever's in it, see if there's any bacteria, see if we can find the coronavirus. I don't know.
Okay. Here's the microscope.
This is the microscope.
Whoa,
what did you just?
There we go. Okay.
Don't grab by that. Grab it by the base.
There we go. Okay, we got
I'm actually studying microscopes in school, so I'm fairly good with this. All right.
There we go. Okay.
So Eden, right now this is pumpkin seed cells that we're looking at. So actually, let's see what's in
the purest place we could.
Yeah, but let's see what's in pumpkin seed cells. Hold on. Take this for a second.
Yeah.
Because I can't record and do it at the same time.
Okay, so this is the thing we're gonna be capturing. The water. It's pretty clear. It's pretty clean.
You have water in it?
No, this is what we're gonna be capturing.
I was like, what? It's not the water.
Oh wow, it's like a beautiful picture. Not really. Okay. Well, you gotta pull that thing off.
All right.
Okay. Well, while he's doing that,
No. Wait.
no, I guess not.
Wait, I gotta get.
As Cam pulls out his pure precision, I am gonna go do my business and collect the water because they're taking way too long.
Where's the course focus on this thing?
Right here. Course focus. Okay, well, we're gonna go collect the water. We're gonna collect it in here. It's gonna be kind of hard because I gotta try to pull the lid off, but here, I think I got it. There we go. I got it. Okay. The water source, I think the purest place to get the water would be over here. We can collect multiple samples and test them all out. Oil, there's, because, you know, there's cars and stuff. There's a lot of dirt. There you go. No? Collecting samples. Okay, there we go. That was just Cam's parents. Okay. Water, maybe take my hand off of it. There we go. Let it focus. Water, dirt, there's all sorts of stuff in here. Who knows?
Even we also have specimen biology. Where are the empty slides though?
There. How do I know this and you don't?
Yeah.
How do I know this stuff and I'm younger than you? And like I have the knowledge maybe 2-year-old.
You know, and I don't. Must be pretty rare.
Okay, how about you take this?
Yeah, in a sec, if I can get this stupid thing out.
Here, I can take it out. Let me take it out.
Got it.
I have a pure strength.
Oh yeah, big strong man.
Okay, take this.
It's so tight. Like I haven't used this microscope in a while, but
Here,
it's mine to use. No.
Come on, Cam.
Oh, it's a clip.
You're
Shut up,
taking
I
so
didn't know.
long.
Oh.
Yeah, there's a lot in there.
Okay, so we have corn root.
No, we don't need those. We need an empty slide. We need an empty slide.
Yeah, we have corn root and onion cells.
Do you want me to go? Here, hold on. You grab this. Take the camera. I need to go grab something.
Yeah, in a sec.
Cameron.
Okay, fine.
You're start using your full name at this point. So you can take it.
Cameron. Do we have one of those? What is this? Oh. Alright, so very clear, like almost to the point that if it wasn't reflective, you couldn't see it. So We're just waiting for Aiden. Half this video is just me waiting around. So I'm gonna skip it and we'll get to the point later. Alright, we got Aiden, we got latex gloves so we don't get like fingerprints and stuff all over it.
Why are you properly closing this can?
We don't need it closed yet. Don't tip over my microscope. Okay, this thing pops out.
Close this thing so we have a place to set this thing.
Yes. Okay, so we got
There we go. Okay.
It's fine. Don't clip it back in. Are you dumb?
I did already. It's clipped in.
Oh my goodness. Aiden, okay, just leave it. Leave it. I know where stuff goes. For now, here, just pour this on. No.
Good.
Okay.
Better just use it.
Okay. No, there's no point in getting that dirty. We'll just pour it on. Aiden, either way, it gets on. As long as it's on the slide, it's fine.
Okay.
We're not
pour it on. Just pour it on.
We just want to see what's on this. Okay.
Shoot them. This is
So
just
now
went everywhere.
Like this. Shake it back and forth to get some of the liquid off, but not all of it. Just shake it back and forth. We'll still see it. It'll still stick. Not like this. Yeah, let some of the water off.
There we go.
Okay, perfect. So we're gonna bring the microscope over to my porch. So come on, Aiden. Yeah, I'm going to get a flashlight because it's not very bright out right now, so it's kind of hard to use a microscope. All right, so I got the flashlight, and Aiden will put the slide on, and we will basically just use it and see what is in the water. So, Aiden, what'd you do with the microscope?
Jake, start it.
Tell Jake to give it back.
Jake! Kim wants it.
Give me the microscope. The light can't power on, it won't work. Unless the light's on. It will. You can create your own light. Alright, so this is kind of flat. Aiden, is the slide on this? Perfect. Okay.
Here.
Get this set up so that...
For another video, we can use the telescope. This night.
Hold on, guys.
There's a stand and everything. It's not gonna probably work with the camera. Yeah, there we go, there we go.
No, it's not really working.
Yeah, it's not gonna work. We'll just tell them how it looks, I guess.
But 3 working, 1 bait casting,
No, that's not how you do it. You need
and then 8 rods. No, I have 3.5 rods. The other half of the rods fell into the river. Bye, Ruben.
This is a very weak light. You should have grabbed the police light.
No, you have to do like this.
You can't even see.
Whoa!
You can't even see.
Yeah, you can actually see.
Whoa!
I know it's kind of a blurry picture, but it's something. That is the bacteria that is on that water right now. Here, Kim, I'm gonna take a clear look.
The black things, right?
Switch the
Like
lens.
things that look like the moon? Are you talking about like the things that look like the moon craters?
Okay, let me see.
It's most powerful there.
Are you guys talking about like those things that literally look like the moon craters?
It's not a moon crater.
It does.
Yeah, I guess.
Looks like it. Can we see anything? Are these bacteria? Do they move?
Here, move.
Can we zoom in higher? That was sick.
What would be
Here,
another
light.
You don't need light. Wait.
You can barely see.
Yeah, I know. Perfect. No, Aiden, that's good. No, put it back down. Okay, that's perfect.
Bro, I still have that plant killer.
Pardon?
I still have that plant killer.
Imagine putting that on. It'd probably melt.
Oh.
It'd probably melt.
Hold on, guys. It's gonna be a second. I'm trying to get it.
Oh, got it.
Yeah, Aiden, but you gotta move your eye.
Oh, wow.
Aiden, you gotta move your eye. The viewers can't see what you're seeing.
Yeah, they just finished seeing.
It's on top.
Here.
Oh.
Okay, leave it. Leave it. Kim, can you learn to leave it?
Aiden, my hands shake. Okay?
After, do you guys want to try
Okay,
to tap water?
there what it is.
Whoa, that's sick. And that's actually your hands. You're the one using the light.
You can see the chlorine.
That is what is in the water on our street. Okay. Personally, I think that's sick.
Second of all, that's dirty. Third of all, who knows where that's going and what killing.
Water may kill, but it definitely you know, fuels every life in the entire universe. So that kind of.
So this is a breaking
Can't
discovery that we have the most dirtiest water on.
That's not
our...
dirty. You don't even know what those little crater things were.
Oh, let's try
It could be
this.
like a healthy bacteria.
Let's try this dirty
so-
snow.
No, you can't just put like
can't just
massive
put
chunks of things.
Yeah, you have to like break it down.
Oh, do you guys want to get
Wait,
like
wait.
a little piece of dirt?
Last thing.
You know what I mean?
Let's see pumpkin seed cells.
Yeah, there you go. The breaking discovery. You get to see pumpkin seed cells.
Breaking discovery.
How not?
Because people have already found.
Well, we have. Or it's an exclusive breaking. Or it's an exclusive
How do you make this light
cell.
work?
Piece of dirt.
Is there like a button or something? Don't flip it over. I think it's probably dead,
More than
to
likely.
be honest. Okay. In that case, we'll lower this thing. Get the flashlight.
Okay,
All right. So,
I need that.
and you shot it directly underneath.
Do you guys want to check on our fingers?
I'll tell you. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, pumpkin seed cells, guys. It all looks the same to me, honestly, because there's like certain types of magnification. This only like the same magnification. Can we go like closer?
That's the closest that it goes. It's basically touching it.
Put it back in. It's so blurry. Shine the flashlight in.
I am. I'm shining it clearly in. There you go. You don't need
All right. Either
There we
way,
go.
those are pumpkin seed cells, and that's gonna wrap up today's video.
Oh,
So
if you guys
if
liked
enjoyed,
it.
like and subscribe, and see ya.